Alright friends, in the last video we actually learned the overview of Linux, and in this video we are going to download and install some of the common tools or some of the tools that we are going to need for this tutorial. The first one we need is a virtual machine. There are some of the common virtual machines that are available and they are free to download. You can download VirtualBox, you can download VMware. If you're a Mac user, you can download Parallels, which is actually a great tool. And I'm going to use Parallels, to demonstrate all the tutorials. So in order to download VirtualBox, so you can simply go to virtualbox.org, go to the downloads option, and there you will find the packages for your machine. If you're a Windows user, you can use this one, and if you're a Mac user, you can use this one. Some of you might have M1 or M2 versions of Mac, so they have actually launched the developer preview version of VirtualBox for M1 and M2 users. So try that. I have not tried that, but you may actually try them. And it's very easy to download and install as well. You simply need to follow the on-screen instructions. So once you have downloaded that, your VirtualBox would look like this. Currently I have installed the Kali Linux, but we are not going to use that for this tutorial. We are going to use Ubuntu. So how we download Ubuntu? So we simply need to go to ubuntu.com, download desktop, and there you can see we have two versions of Ubuntu releases. One is 22.04.2, another one is 23.04. I mean, these are the updates, but honestly saying, nothing changes much. There is not like a drastic change in one version to another. So download any of these versions, and again, you will find the documentations on this website that you can follow to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. And it's really quite easy. Just follow the on-screen instruction and you are good to go. Alrighty. So once you have downloaded and installed, we are gonna learn about actually deep dive into the technicalities of Linux. So stay tuned and join me in my next video. Thank you.